Hey, when it comes to landscaping, most of us aren't experts, but at least we do know how to spread mulch, right?
I can do that.
It seems pretty basic.
I can do that. Well, there's actually a right and a wrong way to do it. I'm sure I'm doing it wrong. And today's segment is sponsored by Everett Gardens. They'll show you how to do it the right way. Take a look.
So most people think that mulching is simple, it's easy, and to an extent it is, but there are some certain things that you need to take into account when you are mulching. So one of those things is you want to make sure you're not getting mulch right up on the trunk of the tree. So if you build the mulch up too much on the tree trunk, it's going to start kind of rotting away at the trunk. It'll make it so that diseases are going to kind of want to get into the tree, and it will make your tree not look the best. So you're going to want to make sure that you kind of build it up right around the tree and you don't go right up on the tree. So that way you're not building the mulch up on the actual trunk, just kind of sloping it down. So that way water kind of sheds and it's not gathering and congregating right up by the trunk of the tree. There's a lot of different types of mulch that you can use. We use a lot of like hardwood mulch, so that's kind of what you have here. We're gonna be freshening up this whole area, so it's gonna look a lot fresher, a lot nicer, and it adds that kind of like that deeper brown look to the landscape, and it helps the plants pop. There's some different like color enhanced mulch that you can use. So there's a dark brown, a black, you can use cedar, red, and orange. So those are a few different options that you can do as well. So it really kind of depends on the customer's preference. Also kind of what goes the best with their house. So we look at the color of the house and just what's going to match their house the best. We carry the highest quality mulch that the market has to offer. So there's not going to be any nails, there's not going to be any shredded leaves, no dirt. It's going to be mulch that you can just spread. It looks good. You're not going to have any of those eyesores in the mulch. It's just going to be the mulch and it looks good.
Sure does.
See, now you know.
Yeah.
Right. To get in touch with Everett Gardens, you can just check them out online, everettsgardens.com. Or there's a number on your screen if you have any questions. Honestly, you can call them and ask them anything. They're so knowledgeable. 616-438-1592.
Great, guys.